Tell Allah what you want. Tell no one but Allah. The body has so many needs, but soul has only one, to be with Allah. Every good thing starts with Bismillah. Allah is always watching us. Forgive others as you expect Allah to forgive you. Alhamdulillah, Allah gave me more than I deserve. But they plan and Allah plans, and Allah is the best of planners. Allah sees, Allah knows, Allah will fix it, inshallah. Allah knows what you need. Allah hears every cry. He knows how hard you try. See every tear and knows every heart. Allah will never let you down. He knows your pain, troubles, and challenges you with the beautiful ease. Be sincere. Allah knows what is in your heart. Allah sees, Allah listens, Allah knows, Allah gives, Allah is fair. Alhamdulillah for everything. When I am hopeless, He is my only hope. Allah's plan is far better than our expectations. He knows everything. Allah knows, and that's enough for me. Only Allah knows what you feel inside. If you liked this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.